Shandong wide a company extracting fiber site. Size of fiber has important economic value. The machine is easy to operate. After starting the machine, put the sisal into the feeding mechanism. Separate the fibers by running the machine. It has the advantages of high production efficiency, low labor intensity and low production cost. It is the first choice for fiber extraction. For better fiber quality, we usually use it together with the roll brushing machine. It can remove impurities from fiber, improve the fiber quality. Sisal is widely used nowadays. Sisal fiber can also be
剑麻
made
纤维
into
也可
rope,
制成绳
sisal
索、
cloth,
剑麻布、
wallpaper,
剑麻纱、墙
carpet,
纸、
and
地毯。最
sandal.
后，让我们一
Finally,
起看看初步
let
提
us
取出
see
来的
the
剑麻
fiber
纤维。
effect after impunity removal.